Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add money to your OneXBet account using Google Pay. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional OneXBet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. First, go to your menu. Once in menu, go to deposits. Once in deposit, you are going to see a variety of options for making deposits on OneXBet, among which you may see Google Pay. If you don't see Google Pay, there are two possibilities. Either your app is not up to date, or either it is not available in the country or zone you're in. So, check in. Scroll down to the end of the page of the interface, and you will see, or you may not see, Google Pay, depending on either your zone, your location, or the fact that your app is up to date or not.